Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be getting into some science. We're going to make the exhaust cooler and the inside less hot, just like me, by using some DEI heat wrap. Buy these kits, they come with the little stainless ties and the thing to twist you up, tighten them up. I don't know why, but I always feel like these are Fisher Price and they're never going to stay tight. So I go tried and true hose clamp, go right around the exhaust pipe, holds the loose end. You can use the wrap itself to hold itself. So hold the loose end. Easy. All right, well, I got one side wrapped up, as you can see in the front over here. Wrapped it around itself, came back, and the other side is held on with the hose clamp. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start this up, bring it up a temperature, see what the temperature is on this side versus on this side. All right, guys, we've been idling for about 10 minutes, and we're going to take some measurements and see where we're at. So I'm going to measure the pipe coming out of the cat right here, non-wrap side, 313. And the wrap side, 105. That's a pretty good reduction. All that information tell me? Well, that tells me that the side that I wrapped worked. It dropped a lot of heat. Most importantly, it's not going to radiate that heat back into the cab, which is going to be a big thing for me because I plan to drive this long distances. Purposes of this video, that was a great success. So a little bit of science for you. You guys probably already know this, but just throwing it out there. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to do all that stuff down with the clicky clack, beep boop stuff. And we'll see you next time.